How to delete Google Gemini chat history. So it's pretty simple. Just log in into your account with the chat you want to delete in mind, and just go ahead here. You're gonna press the expand menu, so it's in the top left, but it depends on what it looks like for you because you should probably be in your app or something. But go ahead here and just go ahead to the chats in the left. So let's say I want to delete this one over here, which is defining a cute kitty cat. We're gonna press on the more options over here, or the triple dot button, and you will be able to see the delete option. You can rename this if you like, but that's not part of what we're doing. So press on delete. So this will delete prompts, responses, and feedback from your Gemini app's activity. So this specific chat, so it's gonna give you this confirmation to make sure I really want to delete this, since this can be irreversible. So once you're sure, just go ahead and press on delete and it should just disappear. But that's pretty much one way you can delete your chats in Google Gemini. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.